Let's go.
What are we doing, Amanda?
All right, James is gonna. All right, just to show everybody.
Hey, everybody. Do the cock. Look, she's cocking her leg a little bit.
I gotta cock my leg here. Look here, and Big Orange right here.
That's right.
Here's Big Orange.
Right.
Well, we are in here in the new. What do we call this? The black building. We need to call this something.
I call it my building. Call it whatever you want. Big James calls it his building.
Big James. He calls it his building. So what they're going to show me, I just got the boom lowered on me. So I wanted to show everybody, how do you cut, like right here, Randy, how do you cut this out to put this window in, this big picture window, right, into the panels right here with insulation, steel, and everything like that. Well, I thought that was a great idea. I wanted to have them show what tool we use, what blade we use, all that stuff. But what I did not know, and how to be safe, the safety shield, all the stuff that you do to protect yourself. What I did not know is they are going to have me do it.
That's right.
I thought it was going to be Randy doing it. So.
Well, you know what? These are DIYs, and we want to make sure that everybody knows that anybody can cut these.
And I'm anybody. So, all right. So let's go, James.
Right.
He's going to show me how to gear up and what to do.
Yeah,
so.
Let's go. Watch your step right here. We're doing some work here.
Okay.
Yeah.
And of course, I wore a dress today, so.
Hey, we got radios in here, everybody. Got radios.
Yeah, radios. Real quick, I want you to show this right here. Okay, here's the big picture window that Randy's talking about. Yeah, that's a big one. Now, I'm not cutting something that big. I'm just gonna, I ain't cutting out a whole wall, Lord. But anyway, this right here, well, right there's the insulation. Right there is right on the inside, the raw, Randy, the raw materials.
Raw materials, baby.
Raw materials. So this is, so I'm gonna be cutting through, what, about two inches?
Yes.
Something like that?
Yep, with a regular steel saw.
Okay.
Give it to you. Yep. And there's our panels we build our baby.
Okay. Yeah.
Yep. John's sitting there doing it. We have a double crane system, you see?
Look at that boy. Oh my God.
Awesome.
That boy is like.
Now he'll turn them off and it turns off the suction cups.
Okay.
And then he's got the crane to lift it up and get those out of the way. Is that not cool?
That's amazing.
Love it. Here you go.
Good job. That's awesome. Look at him. He's agile as a cat. Oh my God, really good guys. All right. Oh my Lord. What a mess. All right, James.
All right, come here.
Come here, Randy. I'm going to gear up.
All right, so I'm
going
going to give you the itinerary here.
Okay.
This is your little Milwaukee mini saw. It's got our metal cutting blade on it. It's got the fence all blocked in, everything good to go. To make this thing operate, all you do is, it's a thumb deal. You push this down with your thumb and pull the trigger.
The trigger finger, okay.
Yep. Now, what we're going to do is, we already have you marked out ready to go.
Okay.
And what you have to do is, this little V mark right here
Yep.
is where the path of the blade.
Okay, just on the line right there.
And what you're going to do is, you're going to push the button, pull the trigger, get this on your line, and you're going to have to kind of make your blade straight with your line.
Okay.
And then you're going to plunge cut it in, or I can do that part for you.
Plunge cut, okay.
Yep, look here.
Show you.
Yep,
I'll try.
This will be it's very easy. You can do it. Look here, you're going to go here and not pull the trigger yet. Get this on your line, and you're going to take your right-handed, right?
Yeah.
And then you're going to just pull this.
Oh.
You're going to hold this with your thumb, and now you have sight of the blade, and your blade is going to go right in on your pencil mark.
Okay.
Okay. And when your blade goes in, you can let go of your guard, because your cutting material is going to hold your guard for you. I know it's a lot, but look here. You're going to hold this. You're going to hold this flush with your cut material.
Okay.
And then you're just going to start cutting.
Okay.
Okay. Now you can plunge cut this in there, and then pull your trigger again. Yada yada. And I'll give you a little demo without cutting it for you.
Okay.
Now, here is your PPE.
Okay. Now, what's PPE? It's protection, some kind of
personal protective equipment.
Protective equipment.
Personal protective equipment. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to put this on, and it's going to be big.
Okay.
Okay, and you're going to adjust this down.
Okay.
To where it fits your cute little head.
Crank it down.
Okay.
Cute little head. I like
Yep.
that. All right, this is the way it goes on?
No,
No, the other way.
Yep.
That. All right.
Just like so.
Okay, and I'm
There
gonna,
you go.
where do I crank it?
In the back.
Okay.
It's okay. Yeah. Now you want that to fit kind of snug. Kind of snug. You like that? Okay.
Yeah,
now,
that's
all
good right there.
Okay, now we're gonna look here. Let me help you.
I need this to mow.
Right. Okay.
Oh. Have I got music?
Well, you're gonna have some earmuffs. Boom. Now,
Okay.
I'll get that over a little.
Okay.
Should sync up. Okay, yep, you're getting there. All right, now,
How do I get them to go in my ears?
they're supposed to automatically go on your ears.
Oh.
Your head is too small.
I'm too little.
Your little head
I've
is too
never
little.
heard that before. I'm too little.
I don't believe that. Anyways. Okay, so let's go over here.
Have you got any earplugs? I'll put them in.
Yeah, I'll go get you some.
Why you look at me, Ben? Look at me. I'm you.
Your head is a little narrow.
I need some earplugs.
Look, you don't even know it.
Look. Everybody's got the big head around here. All right, so I've got my PPE on. James, big orange over here. He's got. Is it gonna be tighter?
Your head
Oh!
go up a little
Look,
bit. You're looking down all
You
the time.
watch the Botox, man. Back off my Botox.
Pull
Jesus.
your head back, your hat back.
Ow.
Good God, you keep looking at the ceiling.
Put it back.
Stop.
What do you mean?
Looson up your helmet
Right there.
and pull it down.
Ooh.
Back.
Oh my God. Look, I got something in my eye with my stuff on.
Oh my goodness.
Good luck, James.
Oh,
Rodriguez, we're gonna have to get you to sign a waiver.
we gotta write a report.
Accident.
Oh, okay.
What?
Okay.
Here.
Okay.
Hey, we match.
You
Look
know how to
here.
put them in?
Look at our big orange.
Yeah. You know how to put them in?
Probably not.
Crown in there.
Oh, you gotta.
Yeah, you
gotta squash 'em.
twist them.
What?
The proper technique is to twist them like so, then
Oh.
stick it in your ear, and then it grows. And it,
Okay.
yeah, don't get so
twist it.
carried
Like
away.
sea monkeys. I remember that. We're all old. Remember
Did
sea
you
monkeys?
guys go out for lunch? You've been drinking.
All you have to do is hang around this crowd.
I know, right?
Okay.
It's a tough crowd.
Okay.
Okay.
Well,
You're good.
okay. I got it. All right.
I still don't understand why my earmuffs ain't working. You must have a skinny head.
Must have.
I don't really know. That's kind of.
I ain't got no brain in.
Oh well, we.
No comment. All right, hold on.
Good.
All right. God, I'm hot. I'm having a hot flash. God, it's hot. Okay, let's go.
All right, let's go.
All right.
Take your microphone.
You all better get away from me.
It's gonna be huge.
Yeah, it's gonna be really loud.
Really, really loud.
Don't let nobody around me.
All right, here we go. I'm gonna put her microphone in my pocket. I'm gonna cover mine up a little bit. This is gonna be good. Poor James.
Poor James, I heard that.
I can teach anybody. All right, so thumb here, finger on the trigger. What we're gonna do, I just lightly touch the trigger. I go ahead and depress my thumb drive. That's my safety. Okay, and I get right here.
Randy, you gotta get back.
Now I will. See how we have side of our blade? Okay, there we go. I'm gonna put my V mark on the line.
Okay.
All right, and see.
Now keep me going.
Yeah, oh, get you going?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want me to do the Oh my gosh, I didn't know there'd be sparks. I didn't think there would be sparks. Okay. Now I don't have to hold the thing up no more, right?
Yeah, just for a second.
Put it in there. Okay.
Oh, he got you going.
Yeah. Okay.
Let me get over here.
Now I'm falling down through that
Yes,
way?
please. Yes.
Okay.
Come here, Ace.
Get over. Okay. This side? Oh, do I keep my hand there?
Yeah.
Okay, keep it there.
Yep.
Is it going to spark?
Yep.
Push this down?
Yep. All right, back your saw up just a little. There you go. Now go. Stay where you're at. Stay where you're at. Go right there. Put the thumb on that. All right. There you go. Full turn. Full turn. Whoa.
Is that it?
Perfect.
Yeah, I got it! I got it!
Hot dog. All right, go up the other one.
You want me to
Come
do
on,
that
man.
too?
You can do it.
Oh,
Hey,
God.
let her start it. Let her start it.
Yeah, you start.
You start it. Cut that line and go.
Let's see.
Pull
Okay.
that guard up.
Hold on.
Lay the tip down first. Lay the tip of the saw down first.
Okay,
There
tip
you
of the
go.
saw.
Yep, yep.
But
Come
pull it up
uphill.
on the line.
Come uphill a little bit.
Come up on the line.
Come
a
uphill a
little
little
more.
bit.
Okay.
Come up on the line.
Up on the line?
Come up.
Oh, right.
Up.
Oh.
There you go.
Okay.
Hit.
Hold on. Oh, well, my thumb ain't. Okay. Oh, God, this is too much.
Hey,
No, it's not.
Keep
You
the
good?
base. Keep the base of this on here. So lift
Okay.
it up. Lift it up right there.
Okay.
And then start it. Pull your trigger. Keep your saw off the metal.
Keep it off the metal.
Just the saw.
Just
not
start.
Oh, not the blade. Okay. Keep the blade on there, though.
No. This on there.
This on there.
Yeah. Yep.
Take your blade off the metal.
Okay.
Yeah.
There you go.
There you go. You got
There
it.
we
You got it. Yeah. Yeah.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Just keep going.
Okay, hold on.
There you go.
Okay.
Keep the blade off the metal first.
Off the metal. Okay.
Yep.
Screw those on the line. Nice. Yeah.
Just keep going.
Okay.
Go. Don't stop.
Now I don't have to. Now just
Yeah.
put it in there.
Go.
You gotta do your
No,
guard.
do it again. Same
Yeah,
way.
yeah.
Do it again. Same way.
Turn your saw.
Go. Go.
There you go.
Keep going. Go.
Don't stop.
Go. You're doing great.
Stop!
Oh,
Okay, hold on. I don't have to touch this no more.
Probably not.
Okay.
Go.
Full
How
turn.
about this?
Full turn. Nice.
Far, Amanda, but that's fine.
Woo! I got it! Woo!
Wow. You did
Yay!
great. Look, right on that line, man.
Did I do it?
Nice.
I did. There you go. That's right. Woo! All right. Okay, so what did we use? Did we tell what we used?
Yes,
Oh, you
we
got
did.
it? Okay. So where do they buy this at?
Home Depot, any place that sells
Where's that saw?
hand
There.
tools. Yep.
Right here.
This is from the wonderful people of Makita. Also, our
Milwaukee.
blade.
Milwaukee.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
Milwaukee.
Milwaukee.
Sorry,
Yeah.
Milwaukee. Our blade is also Milwaukee. This is a special saw that has this special guard to cut metal.
You can see inside.
Yep,
that.
you can see, and this blocks the debris from flying up on you, sparks and yada yada. It also has the thumb safety. This is a 5 1/4 skill saw metal cutting from Milwaukee, and we use these all day, every day.
And it was very lightweight, so it wasn't heavy at all. So all I had to get used to was just the configuration. My hands are not as big, I think, of course, as a man, so my thumb was kind of like stretched out a little bit, but that was not bad at all.
Aw, you did great.
I mean, what would it take you, an hour? I mean, if you took your time, for somebody who's never done it and experiment and trying to do it, you could do it.
Oh, a homeowner, you're saying?
Yeah, a homeowner,
Yeah,
like me, you know.
sure.
Way less.
And look, I mean, you cut all the way through that.
Half of the window
And let's see on the back side.
15 minutes right there.
And so it went through the back side.
That was not as bad as what I
Yep.
thought it was.
Cool.
Don't have any apprehension. Learn your tool, and I mean, that's the first time you ever did it.
It's the
You
first
did
time.
that every day. You did that 5 times. You'd be golden.
You got it right there. Well, biggest thing is safety first, and of course he had the shield, he had my earplugs. Be safe about all of it. Overprotect yourself if you're not confident. Get somebody there with you just to do it. If you have
Buddy
to do
system.
it, buddy system. would
Watch
be
this
great.
video again.
Watch this video. Keep watching this video. So.
And we can cut more, like right here. Those are the
Yeah.
windows that are going to be popped in there.
Yep.
So he'll cut that out, silicone it, pop it in, screw it in, we're good to go.
That's great.
Yeah, man.
Good deal. Well, thank you, James. I appreciate that. That was a lot of fun.
No problem at all.
So it was not as scary as I thought it was going to be. So good deal.
You had a good
I had
instructor.
the utmost faith you could do that, Randy Jones.
Good deal. Thank you, James.
Wrap it up.
Yeah. I just thought that was kind of cool.
Oh, you got to wrap it up. This was
Okay.
about you.
Well, I don't know what my hair looks like, but anyway.
It don't
that
matter. It
was-
looks great.
That was a lot of fun. So be sure and just go to Lowe's. Is where we want you to go. Is to go to Lowe's.
Go Lowe's.
Go to Lowe's.
We're not getting paid yet for
I
that.
don't care. I am a Lowe's gal all
Yes.
the way. So go to Lowe's, ask them for these materials, for the blade, for the saw, everything like that. They'll help you out. Watch this video again. Watch what James and Randy instructed me to do. Be safe, be safe, be safe. So
Yeah.
And
You
I
did
would've
great,
wore-
Amanda.
I should have wore like long sleeves, so that's what I recommend.
Well, you just look adorable today, and we just threw you out there.
Well,
Yeah.
thank you guys for watching, but I thought it was important that you guys know that. So
Yeah.
let me go fix my hair.
Okay. Bye.